Good morning, good afternoon, and good night, teacher. My name is Samuel Efrain Quelez Acosta. I am from to group Seniors 5. Throughout the video, I will talk about the topic sustainable living, where I will talk about different alternative lifestyles. And with nothing more to add, I will start. Minimalism applied to our daily lives is a lifestyle that consists, in short, of gradually living a simpler life, freeing ourselves from to the pressure of compulsive consumerism and the rat race. Personally, I really like so much apply it because it avoids complications in certain moments on my life. I only have what is necessary. I do not have extra things or things that I lack in my life. In addition, in the future I will probably only have what is essential to enjoy it. Okay. Sustainable technologies are tools that want less energy to carry out the process, use fewer limit resource, and ultimately do not deplete natural resource in their creation, startup, or use. On the other hand, technology that influences sustainable development does not directly or indirectly pollute the environment, and tools can be resource of or recycled at the end of their useful life. Personally, sustainable technologies are what I use in my day to day because I so try to save resource as much as possible and try so much to take advantage of their use without directly damaging the environment. And in the future, I will probably not cause problems for the next generation. Well, recycling is a process whose objective is to convert waste into new products or raw material for later use. Thanks to recycling, the disuse of potentially useful materials is prevented. The consumption of new material is reduced in addition to reducing energy, air and water pollution, as well as reducing greenhouse gas emission in comparison with the production of plastics. Personally, recycling is something that I apply so much to my life since it has to be something that we always do for everyone because this is how we take care of our planet, protect the environment, and above all, we must think about the future of other generations. So that probably we ensure a healthy environment and avoid contamination. Okay, the urban agriculture, also known as peri-urban, is the practice of farming with crops within the urban area. The land used for urban gardens can be private, public or residential in space such as balconies, walls, roof of buildings, public streets or banks, and all deforested groves or rivers. On many occasions, agriculture is practiced on occupied land, on public or private properties in a state of abandonment. Personally, I do not implement agriculture in my life because I do not always have the time to apply it, either because I study or I do not have the necessary tools. I will probably in the future if I implement it in my life since it catches my attention. Okay, renewable energies are tools that are constantly renewed, therefore they do not run out over time. These sources are an alternative to the traditional ones and produce a minimal environment impact. They are solar, wind, hydro, geothermal, and biomass energy. The solar energy is the radiant energy that comes from the sun and reaches the Earth's surface in the form of infrared light, visible light, and ultraviolet light. The wind energy is that obtained from the wind taking advantage of the kinetic energy generated by air current and the vibrations that the air produces. Hydraulic energy is an energy generation system that is obtained from taking advantage of the kinetic and potential energy of the current of rivers. The biomass is the energy stored in living beings, plants, or animals through the process of the photosynthesis and the digestion of these plants by animals. Well, I use them a lot because every day I use them either to study or do another activity. I think they is essential for anyone since at night is when we use them. And I think that in the future could be might the same since it is something that all people make use of and need them.